Gold against US dollar this week has risen in value. We can see the week started with a bullish candle, small one, and then the price formed a strong bullish candle which has continued to rise in value, reaching an area here at 2789.64. Here the price has reached at its top and then formed a strong bearish candle going all the way back down to 277.11 as support level. On the Friday the price has tried to return back up, but then the price has returned back down. We can see it is a strong selling pressure right here, but also this demand zone, which is a support area, is still holding. A week has closed as indecision candle. We can see that almost a bearish pin bar with a larger wick on the upper side, small wick on the lower side. And then we have a month. The previous month has closed as a strong bullish candle, suggesting further rise in value, where the next stop will be to 817.77, but we'll see what happens on the lower scale. Now the monthly time frame is suggesting further rise in value, but we can see also that this support 2686 and this one is 2634 is the next target for the price if the price goes below. So in order to continue to fall in value, we can see the first support level will be 2721. That needs to hold. If it breaks, the next target will be around this area 266. We can see that, and the lower that is around area here 2620. Daily time frame shows me much more clear information, which means we have a support in front of us, and it is also a demand zone that is holding, and it needs to be broken in order to continue to fall in value. Will that happen? We'll see what happens on a Monday, and especially on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, where I'm sharing the details with the traders. If the support doesn't hold, we can see that the next support level will be around here, which is around 2720, and below that, after the price drops, it will reach an around area here, which will be starting from 268 down to 267, and the next will be 2653, which is a support level and also a confluence of support, because we have a trend line here acting as a support. So for now, I'm waiting for the Monday to see how the price will behave around this area, but also it is very important currently. This bearish candle suggesting further decline in value, but because we are currently in the bullish trend, it's very hard to predict will the price continue to fall in value unless I see a bearish breakout, because this bullish momentum is still active, and also there is bulls waiting here to push the price higher. Will this selling pressure will be stronger than the bullish momentum? We'll see next week, especially on a Monday, how the day will close. If the breaks below, then we'll see the price going even further down, reaching around 2720, an area here of the support. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.